Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you guys my experience all about English language. It's been more than 4 years I have been learning English language, and today I'm going to share my complete experience with you guys. Probably if you follow my rules or if you're able to follow my strategies into practice of yourself, probably these things is going to help up your English language a lot, because I gain a lots of experience about it, and still I'm learning English language. And recently I created a Facebook page and YouTube channel as well, where I post my English videos each and every days in order to helping other people, and it's been completely free. And probably I'm going to help so many Bangladeshi students, so many English learners. It's completely free if you follow my YouTube channel and my Facebook page as well, where I post my English learning videos each and every day. You don't need to pay any cost for it. You are going to learn English language completely free. And today I will share with you guys a little bit strategies and techniques. That's how you can learn English language in your daily basis. You can use those things in your daily activities, in your daily conversations as well. The first things that I want to share with you, that the people who want to learning English language, they thought I will become successful in English language overnight, or I will able to learning, or I will able to speak in English language a month later or something like that. Most of the people comparing themselves with other people whose English language is better than them, or so many people comparing themselves with advanced level English speakers, and these things make them so disappointed and so worried as well. So I want you to listen to me carefully, man, that never ever compare yourself with any other people whose English language is better than yours. Instead of that, what you can do, you can compare yourself with yourself. Probably you are learning English language, it's been 1 week or it's been 1 month. So you have to compare yourself your last month or your last week. Probably you made a big improvement, so you have to celebrate it. You have to celebrate of your improvement. So what will be happening in that case? Probably you are going to get a little bit confident about it, and these things will definitely help you to stay motivated of learning English language. Learning English language is not a piece of cake, man. That is I would say that is not that much difficult, and I would say that that is not that much easy as well. So you have to make a big improvement. You have to make a big effort to learning English language. Probably that will take a few months to years as well. And I would say, in addition, if you practice your English language 4 to 5 hours in a day, probably that is going to take 6 months or more than that. So have you ever imagined that this is not your mother tongue? You have to learning English language by yourself. You have to make a big effort. You have to finding a English speaking partners. Or if you don't find English speaking partner nowadays, that is a worst thing for you, man. You can find English speaking partner in so many website and mobile apps as well. You can talk with ChatGPT. You can find a human English speaking partner as well through internet, in Facebook and websites as well, and so many apps are available as well. You can use one of them which you suit you most. Okay. And on the other hand, I would say you can practice. If you don't find anyone, at least you can practice yourself by yourself. You can practice your English language in front of the camera or something like that, or whenever you get free time, you can talk alone. At that time, what will be happening in that case? Probably you will be stuck in between in some places. Then you will be able to figure out where you need to improvement or where you need to fix that problems. Instead of that, I wanna tell you one more recommendation, which is probably you are watching my videos, so that's how I guess that you have a mobile phone. So you can use your mobile phone in order to learning English language. You can record yourself and watch it over and over again. Probably that's how you can figure out where you're making mistakes, and probably you are not want to make the same mistakes over and over again. So what you can do, you have to fix your problem where you're making mistakes or where you stuck in between in your speaking part. And probably you are not, and probably you don't want to make the same mistakes again. So that will be help you to clarify or accurate uses in further sentences or your further conversation or communications. So man, you can learn English language that way. And I want to tell you one more thing. So many people want to learn English language overnight and within a month. I already mentioned you in my beginning of the videos. So I would say it's not gonna possible for you, man. So you have to make big effort. You should have enough time to practice your English language, and that will take time, definitely. And you have to accept that truth, because it's a foreign country's language, and the people is not communicating each other surrounding yourself, so you don't, might be you are not going to take any chance to communicate with other people in your daily basis. So you have to make a big effort to learn that language. You have to try it hard to learn that language. You have to figure out some English speaking partner through online, or you can contact with your own friends who also onboarding to learning English language. You can practice with them as well if you wish. And I want to tell you, don't learning English grammar at the very initial stages. That will make you feel embarrassed, and that will make you feel disappointed as well, because there is just there is a lots of grammar rules, boring, and this is not going to be effective as well. So I want to tell you one thing: you can learn grammars a little bit, which is sentences, and sometimes you can learn parts of speech, or you can learn right from verbs and all those things, but you don't need to learn any others, or whole or all grammar rules, each and every grammar rules, because those things are going to make you feel frustrating and disappointed as well. So instead of that, what you can do, you have to focus on your progress, you have to focus on your improvement, you have to focus on your communication skills, right? So whenever you will be fluent in English speaking part, at that time you can focus on your grammar part or your pronunciation as well. Pronunciation is also a little bit important in your speaking part, because whatever you're talking, if other people cannot understand you, probably that will going to be a little bit sad for you and the people with you talking, right? So pronunciation is a little bit important, and grammar rules is also important. All those things is important, but past the initial stages, you have to try to improve your fluency of English language, then you can do any other things. Whenever you try to improve your pronunciations and grammar rules, those are the things will make you disappointed. But whenever you try to focus on your fluency and all those things, probably those things are going to give you a lot of confidence of talking English language with other peoples. And these things is very crucial for every English learners to having a great like mindset and realistic goals. Stay motivated, encouraging yourself each and every day to learn English language, because you are going to be a fluent English speaker. So I would say, bro, you have to make a big effort. You have to do a little bit hard work. You have to try to learn lots of vocabularies and all those things. And hope you enjoyed it. If you found anything helpful from that video, don't forget to subscribe and follow my Facebook page, because I'm going to post English videos, English learning videos each and every day here in these platforms. And I really found some joy and happiness on it. And I'm going to teach English language. I'm going to help English to so many English learners in Bangladesh and for the foreigners as well. So if anyone need any kind of help or any kind of further information about English language, let me know in the comment below. I'll definitely try to contact with you, and I'll definitely try to help up your problems. And this is all about today, and I'm going to make my English videos on another days, and see you soon in my next videos. Until then, keep healthy, stay motivated, and keep learning English language. Thank you very much for your precious time to watch that videos till the very end. Thank you very much, my all of friend.